So let's say that there are websites that you frequently visit and you want to quickly access them whenever you open up your Edge browser. In order to do that, you can use favorites in Microsoft Edge browser or bookmarks in regular web browser terms. So I'm going to go over here and type in Wikipedia just like this. So let's say this is the web page that you actually go to. So let me just type in wikipedia.org right over here, and it'll open up the Wikipedia page. So let's say I want to bookmark this. In order to bookmark it, you can go over here onto the top right, and you can see that you can add this page to your favorites. That is what bookmarks are called in Microsoft Edge browser. So if you have to click on this, it asks you to name the bookmark right here. So I'm going to keep it as Wikipedia, and I'm going to go into the folder. You can choose the folder or create a new folder. We're going to talk about that in a while. But right now, we're just going to click on favorites bar, and I'm going to press done. Once I do that, it'll be available in the bookmark bar. So if I were to go back right here, you can see that this is the bookmark bar on the top. And if I were to click here, you can see Wikipedia right over there. So let me just go on to other search engine, other web page, that is Bing search engine. Let's say I want to save this as a bookmark as well. In order to do that, you can press Ctrl D on your keyboard, and once you press that, the same bookmark bar appears. So let me save this onto the favorites bar as well, and I'm going to press done. So once I go back, you see the bookmark bar over here just like this. But you might have noticed, but once I go into the web page, you don't see the bookmark bar anymore because it is not enabled yet. So in order to do that, I can actually go over here onto the favorites, and you can see the favorite bar link right over here from this icon as well. Or if you want to see it, you can simply go on the menu right over here, go to favorites, and then show the favorite bar right here. So if you go to show the favorite bar, you can see that it's only on new tabs. You can also disable it completely, or you can press always, and now you'll be able to see your bookmark bar always right over here, even if you are on web pages. But usually I like to turn that off because I find that distracting. So I'm going to go to favorites right here. I'm going to go to show bookmark bar, and I'm going to say only on new tabs. So let's go to another search engine like yahoo.com. Right, let's press enter, and it'll open that. Let me add this in the bookmark bar as well. So let me just press enter. It's loading. So now I'm in yahoo.com, and let's say I want to save it in favorites, but I want to create a subfolder or a new folder. So in order to do that, I can go on to favorites right here, and I can go on to more right here, and over here you can see favorite and other favorites right here. So I can actually create a new subfolder inside a favorites bar, as you can see, and I'm simply going to say web pages just like this, and then I can save the yahoo.com under this. So I'm gonna say save, and now it's under that bookmark bar. So if I were to go back right here, so let me just go back onto the main page so that I can actually see, you can see a folder right here, and once you click on it, you have your bookmark right under it. So you can rearrange everything out as well. So I'm going to go over here onto favorites, and I can go to manage favorites, and here you can see everything out. You got the favorite bar, you got the web pages, you got other favorites over here as well. So now what I can do is I can simply move in Bing inside the web page folder right here. I can also move in Wikipedia right here. If you want to add a new folder, you can simply press on add new folder and say something like special, and press save, and you immediately have new folder under favorites bar right over here. So just like this, you can manage everything out. You can also delete the folder by selecting it and by pressing on this button right here, or by pressing the delete button right over here onto the top, just like this. So you can add favorites, you can add favorite and type everything manually as well. So I can say something like YouTube right over here. So YouTube, and then I can add in the URL myself as well. So I do not actually need to go to web page and press save it. So there you go, YouTube is there. And now if I were to go back onto my home page, you'll be able to see that there's web pages where there's Wikipedia, Bing, and Yahoo, and there's YouTube right over here onto the top. So that is how you manage your favorites or bookmarks inside of Microsoft Edge browser. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.